Hi everyone, I'm Mohan, this is Victoria. We're going to do דברים יפים לראות, which is beautiful things to see. Guys with the left, ladies with the right, first part on the circle line. My mind, 3 and 4, open, close from side to side. We continue with the paso doble, 1, 2, 3, and in 4, guys turn right, not leaving the hand, which means your left hand will be on your left shoulder. We're going out, 2 steps, guy turn, girls turn back, and we finish the first part. 1 full paso doble, wrap, release the ladies, turn the ladies, facing the other side. We're going to do exactly the same. My mind, 7, and mine, and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Paso. Guys turn, we go inside, outside, paso doble, wrap and release, turn the ladies, and we're at the second part. Second part, we're starting facing each other. It starts with a hop, guys on left, ladies on right, like that. Hop, back, and hop. We cross and we turn in 4. Now we're back to back. So it's 8 counts. Let's try together. Guys left, ladies right. Up, 7, and up. 1, 2, up. 1, 2. Separate, nale, nale. And when we come back to each other, we're making sure we're not exactly in front of each other, but girls are to the left of the guys. Now there are different parts for guys and girls. So, girls part, it's going to be like that. Right leg. Hop on right, Yemenite step. Sorry, right leg. Hop on right, 2 steps, Yemenite step with left. To the right, turn, 2, 3, 4, walk, 2, 3. Okay, so that's just the ladies. Guys, with your left, if the ladies just stand so you'll have a reference point. Guys with the left, half a turn to your left, hop on left, 2 steps back. Then you're going to turn right, 1, 2, 3, and walk, 2, 3. So at the end of the part, we're standing next to each other with the inner legs free. Let's try together. Guys left, ladies right. Guys turn, ladies up. 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, turn, 2, 3, and walk, 2, 3. Okay, so at the beginning we were next to each other while we jumped, and then we are next to each other with the left shoulder inside. Inner legs, guys right, ladies left to the back. 1, and 2, and 3, 4 steps and hold with the inner legs. My mind, 3 and 4, cha-cha-cha, push back or stretch. Let's try the entire second part. Guys left, ladies right. Hop, 7, and hop. 1, 2, hop. Separate, turn. Half a turn, guys, ladies, hop, hop. And 1, 2, and hop. And turn. Walk. 1, 2, 3. And back. 2, 3. My mind on the circle line. Cha-cha-cha and stretch. The ending of the dance. Guys with the left, ladies with the right. 2 steps up with the hands, same back, facing each other, open step back, open step forward, together and turn the ladies. The second time is exactly the same, just with the hands, turn the ladies to the other side, and the ending of the dance is the same. That's it. דברים יפים לראות. Good luck.